I thought that I think 21 days would be a good choice for me because it covered everything, right from hair and skin, both like face and body both. I think 21 days actually help you to create a habit to get into whatever you want to do since long time, to solve all your hair and skin related issues with all the natural ingredients that are there at your place. Like I didn't have to buy anything, absolutely anything. And actually when using those ingredients, you feel more close to nature. So that was the best part. All the DIYs and the face masks and everything I enjoyed a lot. Since the beginning, I had this thing for natural products. I used to always look for products which are organic, which are natural, and I didn't want to use anything that was chemical based. So DIYs really work for me, especially my dark circles. I think you can notice that 21 days I think is the most expensive program that is there for SkinYoga. But how I looked at it is that, I have been actually investing a lot for my skin or for my hair. So what all investment I have done till now, compared to that what amount I am putting in right now, I found it was very less. I have learned so many things. I have understood how the ingredients are used, how I'm supposed to wash my hair, what is the correct technique of washing the hair, how I'm supposed to apply anything on my face, when I'm supposed to do what, and right from starting of the day, the first thing I do in the morning to the last thing I do at the end of the day. After someone does that course, they will actually understand, that whatever the amount it is like more than that what we are getting after this course. Because this is going to stay lifelong. I think putting yourself on priority is important. And once you put yourself on priority, I think the cost or whatever it is, it doesn't make any difference.